Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Endosymbiotic theory questions get easier when you focus on evidence that mitochondria and chloroplasts once came from independent cells. So watch this quick breakdown. Okay, start with the core idea. Endosymbiotic theory says mitochondria and chloroplasts began as free-living bacteria that were engulfed by another cell, then kept living inside it. So the best evidence should show those organelles still carry bacterial-style independence, and having their own genomes fits perfectly because separate DNA suggests they were once separate organisms. That makes option A the strongest support because internal genomes directly match the theory, while the other choices do not specifically show organelles originated as. Well done! Option A, scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given details and check each step before locking the evidence choice.